Hey, what's going on, family? I'm trying to figure out what we're going to talk about today. And then I said, there it is right there. You can see it. Solana meme coin, Dogwifhat, to grace Las Vegas skyline after $650,000 raise. Now, make it make sense. This is a meme coin created off of Solana's blockchain. The hype is real. It seems to me like you can make more money off of meme coins than you can do with Pokemon cards, sporting cards like basketball, football, baseball cards. It seems to me like the money can drastically be made at a quicker and faster pace than those traditional routes with meme coins. And now you guys can see that there's a community being based around the formation of these meme coins. Take, for instance, this article. Dogwifhat is just simply a meme coin. But apparently the community is growing to where they wanted to have this logo of this dog with hat to grace the Las Vegas skylines. And they raised $650,000 to get it done. Solana meme coin, dog with hat, Shiba Inu mascot, will grace Sin City skyline following a successful $650,000 community raise. According to the fundraiser's webpage, the call for contributions has exceeded the target, hitting $672,288.16 in stablecoin USDC. Now, that was at the time of the writing. The famous beanie sporting canine will appear in full LED on the Las Vegas Sphere for a whole week. Not a day, not 3 days, a whole week. People that live in Las Vegas, in or around the city, who comes into the city will see the grace of this meme coin. Will that cause more attention, more promotion for people to come and jump on board so that they can try to capitalize off of this phenomenal movement that this coin has done thus far? Time will tell. You guys can see from the article when it was written that Dogwifhat is up 48, almost 49% just in 1 week alone, reaching all-time high prices. You can look at the chart right now for Dogwifhat. You guys can see it's making all-time highs again. It is up right now, almost 23%. And this is here being listed on the Binance exchange. It might be a little bit higher. Let's see how far it goes back. So on this particular exchange, it was launched on December the 19th to where it was simply trading around 18 cents. And here it is today, $3.25 off of this exchange. So here's the website right here. This is where you were to contribute some USDC stablecoins to see the dog that you guys looking at right there on the sphere. It's going to grace the Las Vegas skyline for a whole week. And I guess it took $650,000 just to get this done. And the community around this meme coin was successful at getting it done. You guys can see that it's still going up. $704,465.71. People are still dropping coins to this project, to this promotion, to this advertisement. Will Dogwifhat be more important than Dogecoin, than Shiba Inu? It's just phenomenal, the mentality of the human brain to where people are willing to place actual funds, money, behind meme coins that doesn't serve a purpose outside of being the first one in to grab the bag, to being the last one out with nothing in your hand. We're seeing like a human experiment go on in real time of how value can be created just amongst the community. You don't need to have some type of centralized or a force to create some type of value. You don't need to have a military to back your fiat currency. As long as you have a community and people value which you're exchanging, you have value. Something that many people need to learn going forward in this new digital age. Permission? You don't need to have permission. Who gave the people who created this website, who created this promotion, who gave them permission to do it? Nobody. You're able to go out and create your own web page to garner attention, to create a community for any other purpose. Whoever created this web page apparently wanted to see the dog on the sphere in Las Vegas. And look at how much money they raised. They raised $700,000 to this one cause. And this is a global venture because cryptocurrency is a global entity. It's not centralized. It's not local. It's global. Just think about the magnitude and how powerful that would be going forward from any other type of cause, whether it's just a meme coin. This should teach you a lesson that you too have the capability to create value for the benefit of the purpose that you want to have. So don't be swayed. Don't think down. Don't think, okay, what can I do in order to create value? Well, whoever created this meme coin just created value out of thin air. Just like the world governments create fiat currency out of thin air. So let's look at the price action. I mean, because everything's on fire within the cryptocurrency market, and Dogwifhat is pretty much the same thing. It is doing the same thing. You guys can see that it has broken out of this range, being launched in 2023. First being traded here on the MEXC back in December 2023. It is now breaking out. And this is where the hype is right now. Now, you and I both know that this will not be sustained. Okay? It's not going to go up. The hype is not going to be this strong forever. So it's going to be like, who's going to be the one to buy at the top, right? That is the question that many people may be wondering, asking right now. Because every day is going up 15, 20, 30%. That's a choice that you have to make. For me, I'm chilling out. I'm waiting because it's asinine to come through and buy this at the top. You want to come in and buy it when the market dips. Like right here on the 5th of March. You want to come in and buy it on the dip like it did here on March 12th. There will be opportunities to when this market will dip. It's just that people get so much fear of missing out on these moves that they jump on board because they just see like the price is going up every day, day in and day out. It's going higher. It's going higher. And then your emotions kick in and say, let me buy it. You got to have some restraint to hold back and wait because nothing goes up forever. And this meme coin, along with all the other ones before it, has seen a monumental crash. This is just the current wave. That's it. So up to you if you're determining or trying to make a determination as to whether I need to get in right now. That's a choice you have to make. That's why it's early. That's why it's important to get in early. Because the people who bought this meme coin back in December, they're up massively right now. Take a look. On the low here on January the 8th, 2024 to now, this coin has seen an appreciation of 4,466%. Like, people are getting rich off of this right now. But the sad part is that greed kicks in and people begin to just want to hold on just to inch out a couple more dollars out of this play, out of this run. 4,466%. You cannot even get that type of return in a short time in the stock market, in the bond market, within commodities. You can't even get that in those locations. But here in crypto, when there's a massive run going on, you can make that real quick. From January to February, about a quarter of the time of this year already. This one meme coin is up almost 4,500%. Make it make sense. So yeah, to you who bought this cryptocurrency on the lows, congratulations, because this is what this game is all about. Now I'm just going to tell you, don't be the last one to hold it, because people within the Dogecoin community, right? Let me show you. I think there's one dude who said that he wasn't going to sell his Dogecoin when in fact he was making millions of dollars at the highs when Dogecoin was trading all the way back here. 69.70 cents. Now it's back down to 18. Don't be that person that just holds it. You got to have an exit plan. Just like you had an entry into getting into the position, you also need to have one to where your exit. Okay. So I'm just going to leave it there. But you guys can see that this currency is definitely bullish. We're just going to know how it's going to go. Just give me your thoughts on how you think price is going to go. So make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.